Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Having a website is a great way to reach out to potential customers and promote your brand. However, simply having a website is not enough. In order to be successful, you need to attract visitors to your site. This is where website traffic comes in. Website traffic refers to the number of visitors who come to your website. The more traffic you have, the more opportunities you have to convert visitors into customers. There are many ways to increase website traffic, but some methods can be expensive and time-consuming. Fortunately, there are also many free methods that can help you ramp up your website traffic without breaking the bank. In this article, we will discuss some of the top methods for increasing website traffic for free. 1. Optimize your website for SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages (SERPs). When your website appears higher in SERPs, it is more likely that people will click on it and visit your site. There are many factors that go into SEO, including keywords, content quality, and backlinks. Here are some tips for optimizing your website for SEO. Conduct keyword research. Research keywords that are relevant to your business and incorporate them into your website's content. Write quality content. Create high-quality content that is relevant and engaging for your target audience. Optimize your meta tags. Make sure your meta tags, title tags, and meta descriptions include your target keywords and accurately describe your content. Build backlinks. Build high-quality backlinks to your website from other reputable sites in your industry. 2. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your website and driving traffic. Here are some ways you can leverage social media to increase website traffic. Share your content. Share your website's content on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages on your social media accounts to build relationships with your followers. Use hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to help people find your content. Run social media contests. Host contests on your social media accounts to encourage engagement and drive traffic to your website. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your industry to reach a larger audience and drive traffic to your website. 3. Guest blogging. Guest blogging is the process of writing blog posts for other websites in your industry. By guest blogging, you can reach a new audience and drive traffic back to your website. Here are some tips for guest blogging. Research relevant blogs. Find blogs in your industry that are relevant to your business and target audience. Pitch your ideas. Contact the blog owners and pitch your guest post ideas. Write high-quality content. Write high-quality content that is engaging and informative for the blog's audience. Include a backlink. Include a backlink to your website in the guest post to drive traffic back to your site. 4. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful way to reach out to your target audience and drive traffic to your website. Here are some tips for utilizing email marketing. Build an email list. Build an email list of people who have expressed interest in your business or website. Send regular newsletters. Send regular newsletters to your email list to keep them informed about your business and website. Include links to your website. Include links to your website in your newsletters to drive traffic back to your site. Personalize your emails. Personalize your emails to make them more engaging for your email subscribers. Offer exclusive content. Offer exclusive content or discounts to your email subscribers to encourage them to visit your website. 5. Participate in online communities. Participating in online communities is a great way to build relationships with people in your industry and drive traffic to your website. Here are some ways to participate in online communities. Join relevant forums. Join forums related to your industry and participate in discussions. Participate in social media groups. Join social media groups related to your industry and participate in discussions. Offer helpful advice. Offer helpful advice and tips to people in the community to build trust and credibility. Share your content. Share your website's content in the community to drive traffic back to your site. 6. Use video marketing. Video marketing is a powerful way to engage with your target audience and drive traffic to your website. Here are some tips for using video marketing. Create high-quality videos. Create high-quality videos that are engaging and informative for your target audience. Share your videos on social media. Share your videos on social media platforms, such as YouTube and Facebook, to reach a larger audience. Embed videos on your website. Embed your videos on your website to keep people on your site for longer. Use video descriptions. Use video descriptions to include links to your website and encourage people to visit your site. 7. Create infographics. Infographics are visual representations of data and information. They are a powerful way to engage with your target audience and drive traffic to your website. Here are some tips for creating infographics. Choose a relevant topic. Choose a topic that is relevant to your industry and interesting to your target audience. Use high-quality visuals. Use high-quality visuals, such as icons and graphs, to make your infographic engaging and easy to read. Include your website's URL. Include your website's URL in the infographic to drive traffic back to your site. Share your infographic on social media. Share your infographic on social media platforms to reach a larger audience. Increasing website traffic is an important part of promoting your business and reaching your target audience. While there are many methods for increasing website traffic, some can be expensive and time-consuming. Fortunately, there are also many free methods that can help you ramp up your website traffic without breaking the bank. Here, we discuss some of the top methods for increasing website traffic for free, including optimizing your website for SEO, leveraging social media, guest blogging, utilizing email marketing, participating in online communities, using video marketing, and creating infographics. By implementing these methods, you can attract more visitors to your website, build relationships with your target audience, and ultimately drive more conversions for your business. Are you looking to drive more traffic to your website without breaking the bank? Look no further than Ramp Up Your Website Traffic for Free, Top Methods That Really Work. This comprehensive guide is packed with proven strategies and techniques to help you attract more visitors to your site without spending a dime on advertising. Whether you're an established business owner or a new blogger just starting out, this ebook has everything you need to know to take your online presence to the next level. From optimizing your website for search engines to leveraging the power of social media, this guide covers it all. You'll learn how to use targeted keywords to improve your search engine rankings. Create compelling content that resonates with your audience. Build a social media following that drives traffic to your site. Connect with influencers in your industry to expand your reach. And much more. With Ramp Up Your Website Traffic for Free, you'll discover the most effective ways to drive traffic to your website, all without spending a dime on advertising. So what are you waiting for? Get your copy today and start ramping up your website traffic for free. Thank you for listening today. Please like and share if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more content and feel free to contact us with any suggestions. Our mission is to make the world a better place and provide a learning platform for readers. Best wishes on your journey. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net